Emerald. Emeralds are gem quality specimens of the beryl mineral family with a rich, distinctly green color. They are found in igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks in a small number of locations worldwide. For over 5,000 years, emeralds have been one of the most desirable and valuable colored stones. Ancient civilizations in Africa, Asia, and South America independently discovered emeralds and made them a gemstone of highest esteem. In the United States and many other countries, emerald serves as the birthstone for people who were born in the month of May. Today, emerald together with ruby and sapphire form the big three of color stone. The big three generate more economic activity than all other colored stones combined. In 2015, the value of emeralds imported into the United States exceeded the value of all colored gemstones outside of the big three combined. Calling a gem an emerald instead of a green beryl can have a significant impact upon its price and marketability. This color confusion exists within the United States. In some other countries, any beryl with a green color, no matter how faint, is called an emerald. Be careful if you are buying an emerald. Make sure that you are getting a gem that has a rich green color instead of a green beryl. Buying from a website where people from outside of the United States are acting as third-party sellers and photographs might not have representative color can be especially risky. These are expected characteristics of emerald. It is rare to find an emerald that does not have inclusions and surface-reaching fractures that can be seen with the unaided eye. Under low magnification, most emeralds are said to have a garden of inclusions. To improve appearance, most cut emeralds are treated with oils, waxes, polymers, or other substances that enter the fractures and make them less obvious. Although these treatments might improve appearance, they often do not improve the durability of the gem and they may discolor or deteriorate over time. Emerald history. believed to have been mined from 1800 BCE. This mine was already near exhaustion by the reign of the famous pharaoh Cleopatra, who was a renowned emerald enthusiast. Though the quality of the emerald available to the ancient Egyptians were not up to the high standards we have come to expect today, they were nevertheless treasured by Cleopatra, who often wore emerald jewelry and would gift emerald to dignitaries and nobility she wished to reward. The mine became known as the Mine of Cleopatra due to her patronage. Though lost for centuries, the mine were rediscovered in 1816 by a French mineralogist named Frederic Calliard. Emerald mining in Pakistan. Swat emerald, called Zamrud locally, is highly praised throughout the world for its exceptional transparency, vibrant deep green color, and natural hexagonal crystal formations. The Fizagat Swat Emerald Mine is estimated to hold 70 million carats of deposits. These beautiful gemstones come from Pakistan's Swat Valley in Fizagat mines near Mingora. At one time, Swat had 3 active emerald mines operating in it. Today, only the Mingora mine remains in operation. Emeralds have been mined from the Swat Valley for more than 2,500 years. Stones mined from this area have been found among the ruins of an ancient Roman settlement in present-day France. Many of the emeralds found in the treasured antiquities of India are also believed to have been in Swat, Pakistan. Although Swat emeralds may have been well known to the ancient Romans, they were forgotten by the world outside the Swat Valley until the mines were rediscovered by the state of Swat in 1958. Thanks for watching.
Bonfire.